Welcome back to Vital Longevity. Think you're eating healthy? You might be doing it wrong. Some of the healthiest foods out there may not be giving you all their benefits, simply because you're not preparing or consuming them the right way. Today, we're going to fix that and unlock the full potential of 7 foods you're probably eating wrong. Food number 1. Garlic is amazing for your immune system, but here's the catch. If you're throwing it straight into the pan after chopping, you're missing out on its most powerful compound, allicin. Pro tip, crush or chop your garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This waiting period activates allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's immune-boosting, heart-loving properties. Now you'll get all the benefits. Food number 2. Avocados. Everyone loves avocados for their healthy fats. But did you know how you store them could be sabotaging their freshness and nutrients? Pro tip, leave the pit in 1/2 when storing it, and rub a little lemon juice on the exposed flesh. This prevents browning and keeps those good fats intact. Food number 3, green tea. Think steeping green tea. Longer makes it stronger. Unfortunately, oversteeping actually destroys the antioxidants that make green tea such a super drink. Pro tip, for maximum health benefits, steep your green tea for 2 to 3 minutes at around 80 degrees C, 175 degrees C, and don't use boiling water, only very hot. This helps preserve the catechins, those powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and boost your metabolism. Cheers to a healthier brew. Food number 4, broccoli. Are you boiling your broccoli? Stop. Boiling can strip away a lot of the nutrients, especially vitamin C and sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps detoxify the body. Pro tip, lightly steam your broccoli for 5 minutes to preserve its nutrients, or even better, enjoy it raw. This way, you're getting the full detoxifying and anti-cancer benefits that make broccoli a true superfood. Food number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory benefits, but here's a secret. On its own, turmeric's key compound, curcumin, isn't absorbed well by the body. Pro tip, always pair turmeric with black pepper. The piperine in black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, whether it's in a curry or golden milk. Adding a pinch of black pepper supercharges turmeric's health benefits. Food number 6. Oats are a great source of fiber, but if you're eating them raw or just soaking them, you're not getting the full benefits. Pro tip, soak your oats overnight and then cook them for better digestibility. This process breaks down phytic acid, which can block the absorption of nutrients like zinc and iron. Soaking and cooking also unlocks more fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Food number 7, nuts. Nuts are a powerhouse of healthy fats, but did you know you could be getting more from them by soaking them? Raw nuts contain enzyme inhibitors that make it harder for your body to digest and absorb nutrients. Pro tip, soak your nuts in water overnight. This neutralizes the enzyme inhibitors and activates beneficial enzymes, making the nutrients more bioavailable and easier on your digestive system. And there you have it, 7 common foods you might be eating wrong, and the simple fixes to get the most out of them. Remember, small changes in how you prepare your food can have a big impact on your health. So are you ready to start eating smarter? Let us know in the comments which food tip you're going to try first. See you in the next video.